What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Autogera. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So I just wanted to drop by and post this video to help out anybody who's having issues with the recirculating air in their Dodge Charger. So this is pretty much what your screen's gonna look like when your recirculating air isn't working. The touchscreen button is gonna be grayed out, and when you push it over here, all it does is blink. Now, if you're wondering where the sensor is located, it's right above the rear view mirror on the passenger side. All you gotta do is just pop up this plastic cover here, and you'll be able to get right to the sensor from there. All right, so this is pretty much what your sensor is gonna look like. The cover is only held by 4 clips. You can use a flathead screwdriver, or if you have, something like that, it's a bezel remover for all the plastic pieces on your car. From there, you're gonna have to make your way in here and push back these metal clips here. There you go. All right, so now your sensor is pretty much hanging out. All right, so now that you got the old sensor out, you're gonna go ahead and grab the new one, and here's the part number 3, guys, so that way you can go ahead and order one yourself. It's gonna look like this, pretty much very similar to the old one. All right, go ahead and plug it back in, and then you're going to do the same. You're gonna do the opposite of what you did to get this back in there. All right, boom, boom, there we go. You pop your cover back on and you're good to go. All right, and then at the very end, just double check your AC and your recirculating air is working again. So that's all for today's video, guys. If this helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay cool out there, because ain't no damn way I'm doing another summer with no AC, and you shouldn't either.